while unveiling this book, it was like a personal milestone for me also. I mean, I don't know how to say this, but it is right from. I remember getting the proofread. That's what it's called. Yeah, the edited version, which was comb binded, and it had some of his scribblings also on it. And then I remember I'm not a very religious person, but I was in Calcutta for a shoot of my previous film, and I don't know, I got someone from the production to take, before the book released, to Kali Ghat and get some prasad for that. And now when I open this book and I see these two on it, uh, it just came back the whole journey from really starting off. And how did we reach here, Chetan? Wow, man, this is actually. I'm not a person who usually gets emotional about things, but this has been a really long journey. And if I give anyone credit for this, it definitely is Chetan. It was not. Let me just say it this way: Chetan saw something in me that he came to me when the book was on that stage. He had the faith in me to trust that material with me, even before the book was released. So he must have definitely seen something in me that he gave me that book. I mean, who releases a film? I mean, it's like showing a film to someone else and saying, go do whatever you want with it, even before the film is before release. And it's been 2 years. After that, I've taken the material, I've made it my own. I've had great writers working on it. Want to credit Tushar and Ishita, who helped me develop this great.
Ishita is here. She's
Yeah,
done the
there you
dialogue.
are, so small, I can't see you only. To develop this book, and everyone just went out there, and then finally these two actors coming on board, and making this journey complete. And I'm so glad that it's at this end, when your film's going to release so soon, we have come to this point. So I would give, why did I do this book? I would want to ask Chetan, why did he choose me, and why did he choose me in this position before his book was even out, before it was even popular. I think he cast me rather than me casting him or something in my life.
Chetan, would
Never changed, but to get to this point is years of hard work by hundreds of people, literally. And yeah, Mohit is right. I chose him. I'd been eyeing him for a long time. Seeing the music he does in his movies. स्टोरी लोगों को पता है बुक की, काफ़ी लोगों को, लेकिन जब मूवी आएगी तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि स्टोरी भी देखें, लेकिन कुछ और अलग भी होना चाहिए. Some X factor has to be there along with the making a good, well-directed movie. And I think I felt like for a love story like Half Girlfriend, good music is a must, which now the songs you've all heard and you've seen, Barish and all, Fir Bhi Tumko and everything is ruling the charts, which is exactly what I wanted. And also making, understanding emotions, because a very intense love story. So Mohit, I think, has all his work, I see that he gets the emotional content of a scene really well, and which very few directors here can do. So it was, it's not like I felt कि मोहित नहीं करेगा तो ये करेगा. He was kind of like my only choice, so I went to him even before the book was out, and he luckily agreed.
And this before we had any studio on board, before we had anybody else on board. I mean, Ekta obviously came and took it forward, but
Yeah, so he did. And I must also, Ishita has done the dialogues. Tushar, who's not here, who's because he's still working on the mix. He's done the screenplay. A lot of people say कि चेतन की बुक तो फिल्म आराम से बन जाती है. 5 बार बनी है तो लगता है कि आराम से बन जाती है, but इतना आराम से कुछ नहीं होता है. Tushar is one of the most renowned script writers, and we got him to do the screenplay. Ishita has done the dialogues, which is fantastic, जो ट्रेलर में लोगों को पसंद आ रहे हैं इतने कि माई सेल्फ कमिंग फ्रॉम विलेज एरिया, या ये सारे जो डायलॉग ऑलरेडी ट्रेलर पे हिट हो गए हैं, फिल्म में 100 गुना ज़्यादा है इससे, वो सब इनका काम है. एंड देन आई मस्ट से ये दोनों बहुत ब्रेव हैं, बिकॉज जब कोई और पिक्चर होती है तो कोई कुछ कह नहीं सकता, लेकिन ये कम्पीट कर रहे हैं और किसी एक्टर से नहीं, ये रीडर्स की इमेजिनेशन से कम्पीट कर रहे हैं कि मैंने तो ऐसे इमेजिन किया था, अब आप ऐसे कैसे हो, एंड दैट्स नॉट ईजी to take that burden and still perform and still make it a success. It's one thing to do a fresh script that nobody knows, but both of them have done it. Arjun has already done it successfully in 2 states. So I think but this one was very difficult for him because he has to play a Bihari boy and a very emotional Bihari boy. एक है कि आप सिर्फ एक accent वगैरह सीख लो, आपको accent के साथ रोना भी है. That's not easy, And Shraddha had to play Riya Somani, which is a गर्ल विच इज़ सो डिज़ायरेबल दैट एक लड़का उसके लिए कुछ भी छोड़ सकता है, कि पता लगे देख के लड़की को लगे इसमें ऐसी क्या खास बात है, पर वो ऐसा नहीं है. व्हेन यू सी द फिल्म, व्हेन यू सी द सॉन्ग, यू फील हाँ यार इसके लिए हम भी सब कुछ छोड़ सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक शी इज़ प्लेड दैट रियली वेल, एंड आई थिंक दे आर बोथ हेयर. So, and then there's everybody else in the crew. I can't really name all of them here, but they all know how hard they've worked. And that's why 13 days, I think 12 days to go, and we are here. है ना? 10-12 दिन है, दिन रात का भी हिसाब नहीं रह रहा अब. But बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस से मैं अपने रीडर्स को कह सकता हूँ. हमेशा मुझे ये डर लगता है कि रीडर्स मुझे आके ये ना बोले, अरे यार क्या ज़रूरत थी बनाने की पिक्चर. पर अब मैं बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस से, कल मैंने पिक्चर देखी है मिक्स में, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस से कह सकता हूँ कि आप जाओ, कि आपको बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. एंड ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आई वांटेड, गुड म्यूजिक, गुड डायरेक्शन, गुड परफॉर्मेंसेस, गुड एक्टिंग, everything is there. So, you know, I look forward and I'm very happy that I've been able to combine literature and books and movies. हमेशा कहते थे मूवीज़ में स्टोरी अच्छी नहीं होती यार, तो अब स्टोरी हम देते हैं. और हमेशा कहते थे बुक्स को कोई पूछता नहीं है, तो इस मूवी की वजह से बुक्स का भी थोड़ा नाम हो जाता है. So I think it's great.
मैं ये नहीं मानती.
हाँ?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं मानती. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे पढ़ने का बहुत शौक है, और जैसे चेतन ने कहा कि हम इनकी इमेजिनेशन के साथ, जो इमेजिनेशन ही एक्चुअली रीडर्स को देते हैं अपनी कहानी के थ्रू, उसके साथ हम compete कर रहे हैं. और आज बहुत बहुत गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि हम इनके किताब के कवर पर हमारी तस्वीर है. आई थिंक मुझे पता नहीं कि कितने एक्टर्स को या एक्ट्रेसेस को ये नसीब होता है कि आप एक तो एक लेखक की कहानी पे आधारित फिल्म में है, और तो बहुत गर्व हो रहा है आज की इस कवर पे मेरी तस्वीर है. एंड इट्स डेफिनेटली आज बहुत ही यादगार दिन है. एंड आई होप कि चेतन आप खुश है. आपने फिल्म देखी है, आपने कहा आप खुश है. उम्मीद है कि सबको भी फिल्म पसंद आएगी, एंड होपफुली आपके रीडर्स भी खुश होंगे आफ्टर सीइंग अस इन द फिल्म एंड द फिल्म.
Thank you.
I'm sure it's good. Actually.